I own a GE dishwasher model gdf620hmj2es. The start button keeps blinking and I hear 3 beeps. I replaced the door switch because I was told door isn't shown closed, but it is. Help.
Are there any error codes or blinking lights on your GE dishwasher? How old is it?
4 years old, just the start switch. I have unplugged it multiple times as well.
How long has this been going on with your GE dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
2 days. Replaced the switch for the door.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I made sure nothing is interfering with door.
Hello, sorry to hear you are having trouble. I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. The start button blinking on that models means there is communications failure. User interface control unable to communicate with machine control, so if the door switch is good then either the interface control or the main board is bad. Look at the main board and if you see a green light flashing then the user interface board is bad, if there is no flashing LED then the main control board is dead. If you have gotten the information you need and don't have any further questions, please let me know by at least responding back with thank you so I know you don't need anything else.
It will blink 3 times and 3 beeps.
In not talking about the control panel you use to set cycles and stuff, I am referring to the main machine board inside the unit. It has a service LED light on it.
I am on the floor. Access panel is off. Where would I see the light?
You have to drop down the access panel, most likely see the video below showing how to replace the machine control and you will see what I mean. There is a service LED light on the board that should be on or flashing. Click here to watch video https://www.youtube.com/watch. V equals voyage.
I can see how to replace board, but where is the LED light you spoke of?
It's on the board in one of 2 places. The image below shows the location for each board build. Click here to view image https://repair images.tinytake.com/tt/mzg1mdc1ml8xmtc3nzu300. If you have the board drop down you should see the LED light on if the washer has power to it. If there is no LED lit up then that is your issue. That board is bad or you have no incoming voltage.
I see no light. Can you direct me where to order part from and what is the part number?
Sure, give me just a moment. The replacement board is part number WD21 by 24900. You may find it on eBay or Amazon or you can just Google that part number and you will find plenty of places to order it from online.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.